We just installed the Hamilton Motor Company Apple CarPlay conversion kit in this 2013 Land Cruiser. These Land Cruisers last forever, so being able to upgrade the screen and make it modern, as you can see, completely changes the vehicle. Our system here uses the factory screen, so you don't have to have an aftermarket new screen. We make these for every Land Cruiser spanning from 2007 all the way up to 2021. This video is what yours will look like for 2007 to 2015. We'll walk you through some of the features. We've also filmed a complete installation video for this vehicle. Of course, if you have any questions, you can check out our website, hamiltonmotorcompany.com. You can also give us a call at 919-858-2890. We work with a boutique manufacturing partner for these. We've tested these in North Carolina with our engineers on every single version of Land Cruiser, and we developed the older ones in North Carolina with our engineers from China. They flew over, they spent a few months with us, and we tested every vehicle. One of the things that makes our systems different than the cheaper systems is the cheaper companies are simply reselling mass-produced products, and they can't afford to test them on American vehicles. Every product we sell, we capture the CAN bus data off a USA spec vehicle. We're not just buying from some random factory in China that's never installed these and doesn't know what they're doing. I'll give you an overview here of some of the features, why folks really love Apple CarPlay. This unit will preserve all of your vehicle features, so you won't lose any functionality. As you can see, your large temperature buttons on the passenger and driver's side will continue to work as they did from the factory. We're here in the snow, so we're going to keep it really warm in the car. Long holding the voice speech button at any time will switch you back to your factory system. You can still use your factory satellite radio, your factory climate controls, your factory AM, FM radio, or navigation, so you really don't lose any functionality with the Hamilton system. Coming back to CarPlay, you just long hold that speech button to switch back and forth. And you can also use that speech button to activate Siri. We'll show you that in just a second. Back here in CarPlay, I'll show you, we can put the vehicle in reverse, and the factory reverse camera will come right up. And when you're done, it goes right back to CarPlay. So this truly feels like something that came from the factory. It's not some janky system that causes a lot of glitches or damages your features. Well, now let's dive into CarPlay. We'll show you a lot of the features of CarPlay that folks really like. Whether you use Apple Music, Spotify, SoundCloud, Pandora, the SiriusXM app, or any other music app, you're going to have access to it in CarPlay. It'll automatically come across. You can see the album art is really large and nice. It makes this feel like a much newer vehicle. One of the other awesome features about CarPlay, whether you use Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze, or any other Maps app, you can access large, beautiful maps, and Siri will read the directions.
Starting route to Walnut Creek Amphitheater. Head east on Country Club Lane.
Once again, for a 10-year-old vehicle, this completely changes the game. You can input destinations on your phone and they'll appear here. You can also select from favorite destinations. You can search nearby destinations here. Or you can manually input a destination using the search or type features. You can see Siri will make CarPlay a heck of a lot easier to do texts and phone calls.
Parker said want to grab dinner tonight? Would you like to reply?
Yes.
What do you want to say to Parker?
Let's do it.
It says, let's do it. Send it?
Send it.
Done.
Our system uses your factory vehicle microphone. It's a really high quality microphone, and that makes phone calls and text messages a breeze with CarPlay. You can see how natural it is to talk to Siri, and as CarPlay updates, and we are supporting CarPlay updates, Siri only gets more powerful. Siri also makes phone calls super easy. A quick push of the voice button will activate Siri. Call Parker.
Calling Parker Visuals, mobile.
Hello?
Parker, I'm calling you from a Land Cruiser. How do we sound?
Sounds really good.
Awesome. I can hear you crystal clear. We're using the factory microphone, so quality should be ideal.
That's great.
Awesome. I'll give you a call a little bit later.
All right. Bye.
Some folks will ask if your temperature controls will continue to work. The answer is they definitely will. Of course, you can use your large temperature controls here, as well as all your button controls here. You can see the temperature up top, and you can keep the climate page running underneath. So instead of pushing the climate button, you'd simply give a long hold of the speech button, and then press that climate button, and everything is available right here. Long holding that speech button will take you right back into CarPlay. If you have any questions about this system, give us a call, 919-858-2890. Our team is here to help. You can also check out our website, hamiltonmotorcompany.com.